wanted to go there sa Mendokoro Ramen ba? Kaso ang haba ng pila. So tapos na kami sa Arabica. Still ang haba pa din ng pila dito sa Mendokoro. So probably not our night. So we'll try another place to eat and dine. So one of the reasons why we went here at BGC is to actually eat or dine dito sa what do you call this, Mendokoro Ramen ba. So the line is so long, so we decided pa rin to still stand in the line. So yun nga lang, sobrang tagal. There are two lines. Una yung line, let me just show you guys. Yan, yung line na yan, it's actually for you to make an order. And then yung line sa kabilang side is when you dine in na. So there are basically two lines. So if you are going to be here to dine, well, it's our first time. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung best time. Malalaman natin later. And at the same time, you have to make sure that you have a lot of patience because mahaba yung queue, no? So, ayan, yung mga tao nakapila just to really dine in. I'm not sure yung iba kung for takeout. So, malalaman natin later. At malalaman din natin later kung kamusta ba yung lasa. Kasing sarap pa siya ng ramen sa Japan. I've been to Japan and masasabi ko talagang the best. For me, in the Philippines, Ramenagi is one of the best ramen bar. And ito, since na-feature ito ng iba pang mga vloggers, siguro nga masarap. So we will know it later. Yung price, yung ambience, and of course, yung service, and yung taste din, no? So yun yung malalaman natin later. So let's see. Nag-move naman, kaso medyo matagal lang talaga siya. Okay? So ano, Margie, kaya ba? Kaya ba? Okay. Para sa ramen, we are standing the line waiting at the queue. We heard it's gonna be 1 hour. So 1 hour standing the line and another hour to dine. So more or less, we'll be here for the next like 3 hours. Let's see. So it's 7 p.m. So we're still waiting in the line. Ito na. Yeah. Okay. So another group of people just to and dine dito sa ramen na to. Sa what's the name again? What's the name again? Ano name? Ramen.
Ramenagi.
No, it's not Ramenagi. It's a different name.
Mendokoro.
Mendokoro Ramen ba? Yung here in BGC. So we're still waiting. Let's see. Okay, I'll be back again. Alright, good news. We're almost there. We're done with the health declaration form dun sa QR code. Pero hindi pa kami nakakapasok to make an order. So, let's see. Para sa content and para sa experience. And of course, para ma-share ko sa inyo kung ano ba ang meron dito sa Mendokoro Ramen ba BGC. We'll see, guys. An order. So guys, we're here inside to place an order. So nice ambience, nice interiors. So Mark, okay, let's see. So we're done placing an order. So ang process is dalawang line. Yung first line, mag-order muna kayo. And then have a little bit of patience kasi matagal talaga. Marami kasi nakapiwas because of the social distancing. They can't maximize the place. Certain number of maximum ng customers lang ang pwedeng mag-dine in. And then once you're done placing an order, then lalabas ka ulit, pipila ka naman doon sa parang kanilang waiting queue, kung saan doon ka na tatawagin yung name mo if you will be seated already. So that is the process here at Mendokoro Ramen ba. So let's see kung okay. May malalaman natin ang experience. We're gonna show it to you guys. And let's see, sana masarap. So, ayan guys, breather lang kasi ang tagal. So it's actually past 7:30 p.m. and sabi dun sa counter, we'll be waiting like for an hour para matawag yung aming number if we are to be seated na kasi mahaba. So medyo nakaka-suffocate yung face mask, and I'm having some breakouts din, pimple breakouts dahil sa mask, no? So malayo naman ako, so that's why tinanggal ko muna yung face shield ko. Pero best seller daw is Shio and Tantan Men. At first in-order ko yung Tantan Men kaso sabi ng cashier, ng cashier it's spicy, so hindi ko siya in-order. Price nung Tantan Men is 450 pesos. Yung Shio, which is one of the best seller according to them, is 400. So 50 pesos difference. And then also nag-order din kami ng gyoza. I think 130 pesos for 3 pieces. So malalaman natin later kung anong verdict, kung pop na pop. Wow, yes. Pop. So there you go. So sana matawag na kami. Medyo pinag-ano lang ako, nagpapawis na yung face ko because of the face shield. Okay. Alright, so we'll see guys. Alright, good news, it's past 8 p.m. We're still in the line waiting for our number to be called. This is really a test of patience, so kung gusto niyo ma-improve yung patience niyo, this is the right place to be. But I hope it's gonna be worth it for us to try the ramen here at Mendokoro Ramen ba? Alright, okay. Just an update guys. It's past 8:30 p.m. It's a Saturday and we're still here at BGC. Still in the queue. Siguro tip ko lang sa inyo kung pupunta kayo dito is magbaon kayo ng mahabang pasensya because mahaba talaga yung pila. And alam naman natin na masarap kainin yung ramen kapag medyo malamig yung panahon at the same time at dinner time. So I think yung haba ng pila and yung queue, it's more on the dinner time. At the same time, if you're not sure, kasi nga dalawa yung pila, the first line is more of ordering and then the second line is waiting for you to be called to be seated, no? Yung number mo tatawagin. So unfortunately, yung first line, yung mag-order ka, kailangan mo nang magbayad. So kung nakapagbayad ka na, then you don't have any other choice but to stand in the line and wait for your number to be called. And sobrang haba. Wala silang, I'm not sure kung nagka-cut off sila right now. So but still, you know, dito talaga matetest ang patience mo, and I hope it's really worth it. So okay, I'll update you guys later. Sana matawag na kami, but looks like mahaba pa to dahil there's a lot of people waiting in the line. Guys, almost there. Two more customers. Alright mga kaibigan, konting tisa lang because we're next in line. Isang customer na lang. So what I found out is that their operating or store hours is from 11 a.m. to 12 a.m. So kung bibisita kayo dito, that's Mondays to Sunday. And ang off-peak nila hindi matao. Kung ayaw yung pumila ng matagal kagaya namin, that's 2 p.m. up until 4 p.m. But of course, ang pinaka-best time kumain ng ramen is sa gabi at kung malamig. So yun lang guys. So hopefully masarap, worth it yung aming hintay from like 7 p.m. all the way to it's past 9 p.m. already. Patience is a virtue. Patience is a virtue. Patience is a virtue. Finally in and we're about to dine. So interior very nice. So we're waiting for the food to be served. Pwedeng tanggalin yung face shield, but the mask has to be suot mo while waiting for your food. So sana narinig niyo ako. And then also siguro madedescribe ko to kasi kakain na kami sa Japan, sa Osaka, yung famous na Ichiran, and at the same time nakakain na rin kami sa, of course, sa Philippines yung ramen nagi. So we'll see later, but kind of similar yung ambience. May mga partition, pero yung partition kasi, by the way, my mark, yung mga partition is actually for the health protocols because of the pandemic. Pero sa Ichiran, sa Osaka, talaga may partition yung mga yung kanilang restaurant, no? So we'll see. From my vantage point, nakikita yung serving nila. So, alright. Okay, so sana worth it yung ating pag-hintay for 3 hours kasi okay lang naman kasi nakapaghintay nga tayo ng stay at home ng lockdown for 3 months to 3 hours lang or more than 3 hours. So we'll find out later. Na may gyoza, 3 pieces. So, try natin yung gyoza. So finally, inintay natin yung ramen. It's already here. So we're gonna try it out. Let me show it to you guys. okay. Hindi siya maalat. May nakain ng kaming ramen before na maalat, pero this one's nice. By the way, I added tamago. Hindi siya part nito, so you have to pay for the tamago. Basically, the tamago is the egg, the hard-boiled egg. Masarap yung ramen kapag may tamago. So, I strongly recommend that you add the tamago pag nag-order kayo ng ramen. And we learned it nung kumain kami sa Japan. So far, so good. By the way, before I forgot, yung in-order namin, one of their bestseller according to them, it's shoyu. And of course, gyoza. We're done eating at Mendokoro Ramen ba here at BGC, and verdict, masarap siya, no? So bestseller yung kinain namin kanina, shoyu, and then nagpadagdag kami ng tamago, no? Tamago is basically, again, it's a hard-boiled egg, and what's good about it is it's actually complementing the ramen. And then nag-order rin kami ng gyoza. So yung gyoza at saka yung ramen, actually it's both complementing. Sabi nga ni Mark, ano ang verdict mo? Okay.
It's a yes for you.
Yeah,
It's a yes for me.
okay, it's a yes for her. And,
Worth it ang 2 hours.
okay, ang worth it ang 2 hours or 3 hours na paghihintay. Kaya sabi ko kanina, kung nga nung lockdown, 3 months tayong na-stuck sa bahay, 3 hours lang, I think panis yung sa atin, no? So worth it siya. So masarap, tender yung yung combination. Oops, teka, hindi na tayo abot. Kung natin bilisan, nagsasalita ako. So tender yung meat, okay yung noodles, and then creamy siya, no? So that's good about the ramen of Mendokoro Ramen Bar. Price is also good. So yun lang. Yung tip namin sa inyo is try nyo yung shoyu, pero depende sa inyo yan. And mag-add kayo ng tamago kung gusto nyo hard-boiled egg, and also yung gyoza. So yun, mga complementing. And of course, samahan nyo na rin ng patience kung mga dinner time kayo pupunta sa ramen bar na to, kasi nga maraming tao, maraming nakapila. Pero if it's not the on peak, off peak kayo, like 2 to 4 p.m. yan, okay lang, hindi nyo kailangan pumila sa yung matagal. Alright, so if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, and then comment. Baka may suggestion kayo ng mga ramen bar in the metropolis, and at the same time, pakit na rin po yung notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so thanks guys, and see you again on our next travel vlog.